don't pay anyone money to create a simple logo for you, because I'm going to show you how to create a logo in less than 10 seconds. So if you're a business owner or you want to start selling logos, this is the only fastest and easiest way to create a logo. You don't have to learn how to use, those complex tools like Adobe, or even go to Canva to look for logo templates. No, you don't need that. The only thing you need to know is there's an agent, an AI agent, that helps you create logos in less than 10 seconds. And this agent is called Novesha Logo Agent. So let me show you how to use Novesha Logo Agent to create very professional, very clean, if you want minimalistic, all those type of logos. And let's go into it. So the first things first, you have to go to Ndovesha.ai on your browser. Then you'll come to this page. Then you just log in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, just sign up, fill in the details, and you will get your free credits, 200. Then from there, so you will land here and you will see a couple of agents that we have here. So you just select the one you want to use, and for this case we're generating a logo, so we'll just select the logo agent. Then we'll have a prompt here. So I want to create a logo, for urban nest properties. It helps people buy, sell, and invest in modern homes and apartments. So let's click on generate. It's gonna give you three variations, three logo variations, and you can just pick one from the three. So let's see. Agent is done with the three variations. We have the first variation here. I'll give it a 3. I don't like this one. Then we have the second variation here. Oh, I like this one. I would say a 10. We can see the combination of the is it letter mark? Yeah, urban nest and P. Again, the icon of a house there, the way the mixing, matching of the colors. Oh, I like this one. Then we have our third variation here. I'll give this a 5 there, 6. Yeah, but you can see, the second one, it's a solid 10. So, and so if you're there, you're a business owner, you are a freelancer. Of course, as a business owner, if you're not okay with your logo, if you don't like it, just sign up to Novesha.ai and try the Novesha Logo Agent. Also, as a freelancer, you can start selling logos, and you can make an extra income from probably whatever you get and all that. So try Novesha.ai today.